Welcome to Adult ypww Lesson 2. I do not own the rights to this music. Today's topic is the final age, a time of revelation. The lesson text is coming out of Micah chapter 4, verses 1 through 5. The memory verse. I will read the King James Version first and then the New International Version of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 12. For now we see through a glass darkly, but then face to face. Now I know in part, but then shall I know, even as also I am known. The New International Version. For now we see only a reflection as in a mirror, then we shall see face to face. Now I know in part, then I shall know fully, even as I am fully known. How does a person arrive at knowing God? What makes an individual so sure that he or she has encountered the Lord in his or her life? Does a man or woman immediately recognize the movement of the Almighty? These types of questions are the main concern of theological debate on the first subject of revelation. Specifically, revelation is the self-disclosure of God, wherein he uses acts and words to communicate with humankind, to make known his personality, his character, and his plans to human beings. Yet our present knowledge of and about God is not complete. Because of our humanity, our understanding of the Lord is limited, but the time is coming when we will fully comprehend God. This concern is addressed in the book of Micah. Therefore, this lesson will look at the revelatory nature of the final age as it is described in Micah chapter 4, verses 1 through 5. Micah chapter 4, verses 1 through 5 is an interesting scripture. Its peculiarity lies in its relationship to Isaiah chapter 2, verses 1 through 4. Notice what Micah chapter 4, verses 1 through 5 says about the final age. Number 1, Yahweh will be known. In the final age, God will fully reveal himself to us. He is going to let us in on the totality of his being. Number 2, Yahweh will explain his revelation. In the final age, God will be the one who explains his personality, character, and goals to us. No mediator will be needed. In the end, God will be seen as he is. What is more, Yahweh will no longer make use of mediators. In the final age, there will be no need for priests, prophets, wise men, apostles, evangelists, or teachers. The Lord will personally instruct his people. Until then, we need to give quality attention to the apostles, pastors, evangelists, teachers, and prophets that the Lord has placed in our midst. Number 1, what is revelation? Number 2, how does one know when or if God is revealing God's self? Number 3, discuss the significance of prayer as it relates to the revelation of God. Number 4, how does the memory verse relate to this lesson? And number 5, how can we know the difference between a false or true prophet today? Number 6, in what ways is God revealing himself in the 21st century? The end. God bless you and thank you for joining me today.